Hi everyone, Jeff Smith here from the Stinger Solutions booth. We're going to take you through exciting SEMA 2023 show and show you all the hot new products that we're releasing here to show you how to upgrade your Jeeps, your 4Runners, your F-150s, and the very popular full-size Ford Bronco. Let's take a look in our booth. One of the most popular Stinger infotainment kits is going to be for the Jeep Wrangler JK. This is probably one of the most upgraded Jeep packages out there on the marketplace. The current SRK JK11H is for the 11 to 18 Jeep JK, and this is going to add CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio, and all the 4-camera inputs that most Jeepers want to have when they're off-roading and doing all the wheeling that they do. This particular 10-inch infotainment system is going to give you more features than almost any other head unit that you can put into that Jeep system. Combining our pack integration parts along with the infotainment system from the Stinger High 10 is going to be able to incorporate all these new features directly into your Jeep to make it exactly what you need to keep you entertained and also to keep you informed on all the information going on in your vehicle when you're wheeling off-road. Toyota, we have a lot of integrated kits. We offer Tacoma, we offer Tundra, that's been really popular. What we're showcasing here now is a brand new SR Run 10H. This is for the very popular Toyota 4Runner body. This is going to be from 2010 to 2023. So this is going to upgrade all of those Toyota vehicles that didn't come with CarPlay, didn't come with Android Auto, didn't have satellite radio integration. It will work with amplified and non-amplified vehicles. With the pack integration kit and the Stinger High 10, it's going to combine and give you the best integration you can have with your Toyota 4Runner. Ford F-150 has definitely been one of the most popular trucks ever built. Now we have a Stinger infotainment kit for the 2009 to 2014 F-150 to integrate directly into the dash the Stinger 10-inch infotainment screen. This is going to take these older generation trucks and totally rejuvenate them, adding a 10-inch touchscreen system, CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio capability. Pack integration along with the Stinger infotainment screen is going to update that F-150 and give you a brand new ride every time you get in. A lot of the bigger cars that are being upgraded these days are going to be your Jeep JKs, Jeep JLs, and the Ford Bronco. We offer a wide variety of solutions in order to upgrade these vehicles. We have everything from steel amp racks to bolt under the seats to mount your amplifiers for the Jeep JK and Jeep JL, and now we have a brand new series of these for the Ford Bronco as well. We have pre-cut, pre-terminated amplifier wiring kits to make installing amplifiers very simple and easy. We have Jeep accessories to upgrade all the speakers in your Jeep and the dash pods, and for the rear soundbar to incorporate a 6.5 component or even up to a 6x9 to increase the audio output for your Jeep Wrangler. And all the beautiful lighting that we know all off-road customers love, we have it here for Stinger Electronics for your vehicle.